A bird came down the walk he did not know I saw. He bit the angleworm in half and ate the whole fellow raw. And then he drank the dew from a convenient grass and then hopped sidewise to the wall to let a beetle pass. He glanced with rapid eyes that hurried all around. They looked like frightened beads. I thought he stirred his velvet head. Like one in danger, cautious, I offered him a crumb, and he unrolled his feathers and rowed him softer home. Then oars divide the ocean to silver for a seam, or butterflies off banks of noon leap plashless as they swim.
There it is.